So here's the challenge. I have to put this spring and this tender onto the shock, but I now can't get to the threaded area for the collar, and I can't compress it enough to get the collar on. I can compress the spring in my vise and slide this little homemade thing. It's like a kind of like a C-channel. Slide it over the spring, open up the vise, and it keeps the spring compressed for me. Now I can put the spring on, and I have plenty of threads exposed for my collar. And then with the hammer, just hammer the spring compressor off.